Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the best AI video editing apps. AI-powered tools are revolutionizing video production, making complex tasks simple. They can automate many time-consuming processes, from initial cuts to final touches. We will explore how these applications enhance efficiency and creativity. Understanding their core functionalities will help you select the perfect tool for your projects. This guide will simplify your decision-making process. For professional-grade results, consider applications like DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere Pro. DaVinci Resolve excels with its advanced AI for color correction and facial recognition, offering unparalleled control. Adobe Premiere Pro uses AI for features such as smart reframe, automatically adjusting aspect ratios, and speech-to-text transcription. These powerful platforms are designed for editors seeking comprehensive features and high-fidelity output. They are ideal for intricate projects. If you need quick, accessible editing, online AI tools are excellent. InVideo uses AI to transform text scripts into complete videos, perfect for social media. Pictory automatically extracts key highlights from longer videos, creating concise, engaging clips in minutes. These user-friendly platforms are fantastic for content creators, marketers, and anyone needing rapid video production without a steep learning curve. They offer efficiency and ease of use. To choose the best AI video editing app, first assess your project requirements and experience level. Consider whether you need advanced professional features or simpler, faster online solutions. Explore pricing structures, including any free versions or subscription plans. Most importantly, take advantage of free trials to test different applications. This hands-on approach will ensure you find the perfect AI editor that aligns with your creative workflow and budget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.